Hey everybody, welcome back to Kreationz, and today I'm going to show you how to save money by not throwing tools away. So let's take this for example. I have this file I haven't used for a while. It's sitting at the bottom of a bucket of tools that I forgot about. You see how kind of rusty it is, but the file still looks good. It still has all the little file threads in it. But there's a lot of rust in there, right? So you don't want to catch tetanus and this and that and whatever else. Or some people just don't even want to use this. So what they'll do is they'll throw this away and they'll grab $5 out of their pocket and they'll go buy another file. But why do that? If you have 5 of these and you throw 5 of these away, that's 20 or 25 bucks, you know? So we're gonna recondition this file today. So like all of our stuff, we're gonna take this old drill. It's probably 15 years old and this little rust be gone whiz wheels. And we're just gonna touch it up, you know? Super easy. Super easy. Easy does it. Now there's no file threads on the outside, so I can go up and down, but the file threads are going this way. That's why I put it at an angle, so now they're directly up and down. So then I can hold my drill like this and move it up and down. You don't want to go against the file threads because then all you're going to do is break this down and make this flat and it's not going to work anymore. Look how clean that came out. Look how clean that file came out. It's like you just bought it. You see here where I didn't clean it compared to where I cleaned it? Didn't clean, clean. You see all the file indentions are where they're supposed to be? Because I set it at an angle to where they were up and down. That was comfortable for me. If you want to set it at an angle where it's like this, so you can go up and down, you know, across. But I liked this one, so I can go. So now we're gonna hit this other side. And there she is. No more rust. All I have to do is wipe this down, you know? Wipe this down in a little bit of water, dry it real quick, no more rust. You want that? Or that? Thanks for coming to Disturbing Kreationz and learning how to fix your files. Love y'all. Subscribe, like, saving you guys money. Doesn't take you anything to hit that like and subscribe button, but it will help me to get some new tools so I can show you how to save more money. We love y'all. Bye-bye.